Check it out. Nissan Juke SL all-wheel drive turbo. Top of the line in the Juke family. It's loaded up. It's actually a super pretty blue two-tone leather interior, heated leather, factory sunroof, factory navigation, tilt wheel, alloy wheels. Got the Fosgate sound system that thumps in this truck. All-wheel drive switch off. Power everything. Great gas mileage. Lots of comfort. One owner car. Good Carfax. Service and safety inspected. Leather wrapped wheels. Steering wheel controls. Heated buckets. Digital climate. Loaded. Great driver in the snow, great starter car, good on gas, reliable, guaranteed credit approval on this vehicle. These start around $995 down. You're also going to get a service contract on this Juke, and you're looking at a 3-month, 4,500 mile driveline service contract at no charge. Compliments at DasCleveland.com. Perfect Carfax, 5-star reviews, creme de la creme inventory. We make things happen here. DasCleveland.com.